So fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, unfeelingly. And I'll be down now. And
hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It's JD and we are feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm looking at it. It's not a joke. We are dancing. Let's go.
love me in and out, unfeelingly. And I'll be down now. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love.
We are changing location because we are not getting the vibe we want for the video. So we are changing our location and we hope we're going to get what we want at our next location.
Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly, we can fly and
nothing from you. Your beautiful art is the news. I've been reckless with my choices. Can't seem to get what the point is. Life can be rough, can be smooth, and not every fact is the truth. Advancing, I've laid down my burdens. Can't seem to silence the voices. Oh, it's innocent. I be that person. We gon' be assured that body best in anything. Cause I go many, me I know ready. I go give you 100%, never know 90. More than amazing, but look quality. You're deserving of the love you are not getting. Independent.
Mess right now. This wasn't planned, so I'm still in my church attire. I'm still in my church way. I'm yet to change, so I'll see you guys.
I'll take the liberty and I go love you specially.
Hi guys. So we are at Marlin Resort. This was not planned, but we are here anyway. Yeah, and we are so excited to explore the place. We've been here before though, but this time we are documenting our whole journey. Yeah, journey. Yeah, okay. So we'll take you guys along. See you.
All the love, all the care, then they fake out. Don't be hard, baby, give it. I go love you. All the love, all the care, then they fake out. Don't be hard, baby, give it. I go love you. I go wano, why you so cold? I go wano, cause it's melody for my chest.
Guys, I had makeup on, but I can't believe where it vanished to. I think the weather is so hot, so it's just vanished. It's taking my makeup away. Makeup when we were going to church, and she didn't do it. She made us late today. You made us late. I didn't make us late. You did. And you should feel bad for that. About to do the makeup. When we even started taking pictures already. You should be feeling bad for that, girl. I'm all sweaty. I think I'm gonna touch up my I'll touch up my makeup. Guys, we're at the reception at the moment. Yeah. They're making payments. So guys, we're going to the changing room now. We have some content to create. You know our A to Z alphabet day challenge. We are on day D and we are supposed to dance, so we're about to change ourselves. Guys, I have to end here.
On your mark, get set, go!
Guys, it's a long story. Something happened, but I think I'm now at peace. At first, we're not gonna make us swim because they said the pool closes at 6. Oh, like no, but we didn't even get here early. We go here around 5 p.m. So there was no time to swim. And if anything, they should have told us that okay, we can't swim. It's too late to swim. They didn't say anything when it was 6. My already said maybe. So my past it. They said we can't swim. And then we had to go and talk to the management, and luckily I'm so happy. I'm so happy they made us swim. And it would have just spoiled the whole trip for me. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi!
Show me your skills. Show me your skills. Your swimming skills. Guys, I don't know how to swim. That's so embarrassing. Very embarrassing. I just walk in the water.
Pinky toe.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions.